Everyone, let us understand DNS resolution process. Imagine you open your browser and type a website like www.example.com. Your computer doesn't understand that name directly. It needs to find the website IP address. This process is called DNS resolution and it happens in multiple steps. First, your browser checks its own cache to see if it already knows the IP address. If not, the operating system's DNS cache is checked next. Still no luck? Then it asks your router, which may have resolved this address recently. If the router doesn't have the answer either, it forwards the request to the recursive resolver, usually provided by your ISP or public DNS like Google or Cloudflare. The recursive resolver takes the responsibility for finding the actual IP address by querying the other DNS server. The resolver first talks to the root DNS server, which doesn't know the IP but tells it where to find the top level domain server, for example.com. It then contacts the top level domain server, which responds with the address of authority naming server for the domain. The authority domaining server is the final stop. It knows the actual IP address of the website. This IP is written all the way back through the chain to the recursive resolver, to the router, to the operating system, and finally to your browser. Your browser now uses this IP to contact the correct web server and load the website.